Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegetable stir fry that you can make in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to leave you the link in the info box below, but you can also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. To make this super easy recipe, we're going to heat some oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. And then we're going to add our vegetables. I'm starting with broccoli, which I cut into florets, and then we're going to stir fry it for about 2 minutes. To this, we're going to add green cabbage, and I cut it into big chunks, and all we have to do is stir it with the broccoli and stir fry it for about 2 more minutes. And now you can use any kind of vegetables that you want. You can use zucchini, onions, kale, peppers, or even mushrooms. And now we're going to add some flavor. We're going to add soy sauce, ground ginger, garlic powder, just to make it easier. But if you want to use fresh ginger and garlic, you can do that as well. And now all we have to do is mix it really well so that everything's covered with that soy sauce. At this point, we're going to lower the heat, cover the pan, and steam the vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes. And that's pretty much all you need to do to make a delicious and healthy vegetable stir fry. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. And if you want to check out more delicious recipes, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en.